3, fast arm up, cha, cha, 1, and gradual arm down, 2, 3, hip twist, cha, cha, 1, and now head and arm, boom, 2, 3, and our elbow here, cha, cha, 1. Now from here, do alimana, and 2, 3, and cha, cha, 1, close position, opening out, 2, 3, hip twist shasa, cha, cha, 1, and hip twist with a 90-degree right, and beautiful posture, and go walk, walk, cha, cha, 1, exactly the same, 2, 3, and here, give me your hand, cha, cha, 1, go hockey stick, walk, pivot, cha, cha, 1, 2, now 3, cha, cha, 3, cha, cha, 1, cha, cha, 2, cha, cha, 3, now side step, 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, close leg and twist in place, twee, 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 cha, cha, 1, whoom, arm out, excellent.